You've probably heard of compounding, but have you seen it in action? This video reveals the shocking reality of how this simple principle can create massive wealth over time. So, what is compounding exactly? At its core, compounding refers to when your money starts earning money, and then that money earns more money. Imagine you invest $100 and it earns 10% interest. That's $10. Next year, you're earning interest not just on the original $100, but on $110. That might not sound like a big deal at first, but give it time and it becomes massive. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, barely noticeable, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and more speed. By the time it reaches the bottom of the hill, it's enormous. That's exactly how compounding works. Small gains, repeated consistently over time, snowballs into something powerful. Let's break it down with a real-life example. Imagine you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25. With an average annual return of 10%, by the time you're 65, you'd have over $1.2 million. But if you wait just 10 years and start at 35 instead, that drops to around $450,000. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the magic of compounding, and why time is the most valuable ingredient. Compounding doesn't just grow your money, it multiplies it. And the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. The importance of time in compounding. The secret to unlocking the full power of compounding is time. Time is your greatest ally. When your money stays invested, the more compounding works in your favor. It's not just about how much you invest, but how long you let it grow. Let me give you a simple example. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, didn't get rich overnight. He started investing when he was just a kid. He didn't have a lot of money, but he kept investing a little at a time, year after year. The reason he became so rich isn't just because he's smart, it's because he gave his money time to grow. Most of his wealth came after he turned 50. That's the power of compounding. His money kept growing, and then the growth started growing even more. It's like planting a tree. At first, it's small. But if you keep watering it and leave it alone, it grows bigger and bigger. And one day it becomes a huge tree that gives you shade, fruit, and even more trees. Warren Buffett didn't do anything magical. He just started early, stayed consistent, and let time do the work. And if he could do it, so can you. Let's compare two people to see how compounding really works. Meet Sarah. She starts investing $100 a month at age 20. She keeps doing this for just 10 years until age 30. In total, she invests $12,000 and then she stops. But here's the key. She leaves that money untouched and lets it grow. Now meet James. He doesn't start investing until he's 30 years old. From then on, he also puts in $100 a month, but he keeps going until he's 60. That's 30 years of investing, a total of $36,000. So, who do you think ends up with more by the time they're both 60? Surprisingly, it's Sarah. Even though she only invested for 10 years and James invested 3 times as much, Sarah's money had more time to grow. By age 60, both of them have around $198,000, but Sarah did it with just a third of the effort. That's the magic of compounding. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes, even with small amounts. Time really does beat timing. What's one goal you're investing toward right now? Your journey starts today, and we're here to walk it with you. And it's not just about starting early, it's also about staying consistent. You don't need to invest huge amounts all at once. What matters most is showing up, month after month, year after year. Like drops of water filling a bucket, those small, consistent investments add up. Compounding rewards patience and discipline. The earlier and more consistently you invest, the less you'll need to rely on luck, timing, or big risks later. Even if you can only invest a little today, do it. Because in compounding, time beats timing. So don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Start now and let time do what it does best. Grow your efforts into something extraordinary. If this opened your eyes to how powerful compounding really is, hit that like button to help more people see this. And if you're ready to take your financial journey seriously, subscribe for more videos that break down money in a way that makes sense. Your future self will thank you. And if you're ready to take your financial journey seriously, subscribe for more videos that break down money in a way that makes sense. Your future self will thank you. But before leaving you, I want to give you practical steps for compounding your money. So now you understand the power of compounding, but how do you actually use it to build wealth? It all starts with a plan, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Let's discuss this in Step 1. Ensure you set realistic financial goals first. Define your destination. What do you want to achieve through investing? Is it early retirement? Buying a home? Building generational wealth? Club. When you have a clear goal, your investment strategy becomes intentional, not random. Start by asking, how much do I want to have in 10, 20, or 30 years? And how much can I invest each month to get there? Step 2. Choose the right investment vehicles. Next, pick the tools to get you there. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are a few options. Stocks, higher risk, higher reward over time. Index funds, broad market exposure with lower fees. Second, bonds, more stable but lower returns, great for balance. Real estate, a long-term strategy with both income and appreciation potential. The key is to diversify, spread your risk, and let different assets grow together over time. Step 3. Stay disciplined and patient. Finally, and most importantly, stick with it. Markets go up, markets go down. Emotions will tempt you to pull out when things get tough, but compounding works best when you stay the course. Think long-term. Stay consistent. Don't let fear, hype, or the noise of social media knock you off your plan. Building wealth isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Let your money work while you focus on living your life. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. So take that first step, set your goals, start small, and stay consistent. And if you want more practical content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Compounding works best when it's shared. The future of your finances, the power of compounding. Compounding isn't just about making money, it's about creating a future you can believe in. This is where everything comes together. The choices you make today, no matter how small, can shape your financial destiny for decades to come. Long-term wealth creation. Compounding is the slow-burning fuel for long-term wealth. It's how people with modest incomes retire comfortably, how regular investments turn into million-dollar portfolios, and how time, not talent, often makes the biggest difference. By staying consistent and letting your money grow over the long run, you move closer to financial security, independence, and freedom. 526. Financial freedom and peace of mind. But it's not just numbers on a screen. It's about peace of mind. Imagine waking up knowing your future is covered. No more paycheck-to-paycheck stress. No more financial panic when emergencies hit. Instead, you have options. To travel, to start a business, to spend more time with family, or to pursue your passions without worrying about money. That's what financial freedom feels like. And compounding can get you there. Generational wealth and the power of compounding doesn't have to end with you. By investing wisely and staying committed, you're not just building wealth for yourself, you're laying the foundation for your children and their children. A college fund, a first home, a business startup. These can all be gifts from your discipline today. That's legacy. and it begins with your choices now. The future you want is built on the habits you commit to today. Compounding isn't magic, it's just the reward for showing up, staying patient, and trusting the process. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, now's the time. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. What's one goal you're investing toward right now? Your journey starts today, and we're here to walk it with you.